Number 31 for the Oilers, Weber. He's got a little bit of running room, finally down by snap. Drops back, looking for a pass. Intercepted by number 12, Ryan Huxtable. McNamee checks. Gets a snap. Hands off to number 24, Lance Knigge. Gain of about 10. McNamee gets a snap. Pitches it to 24, Knigge. Has some room on the outside, and he's going to be in for a touchdown, ladies and gentlemen. Snap is back. Kick is up. Flat. Thompson's kick, fielded by 31, Weber. Around to the left side. Flag on the play. Drops back, looking for a receiver. Has one, but overthrows him. Back under center. Gets a snap, fumbles. Tries to make a play out of nothing and doesn't get there. Weber gets a snap. Pitches it back to 31. Slight. And takes a sideline bounce. Boyle fields it at the 50. Runs forward for another 10. Gain of 10 on the play. McNamee gets a snap. Is under pressure as a blitz. Able to get the handoff off to Lance Knigge. Powers. McNamee, quick handoff to Thompson. McNamee pitches to Knigge around the right side. Looking for room, doesn't get it. So McNamee gets a snap. Takes a handoff, looking for a receiver. Has one. Oh, almost connects with Pop. Gets a snap, drops back, looking for a receiver, under pressure. Decides to keep it as he runs around and sweeps to the left, still in bounds, still on his feet, finally dug down at the 5-yard line. Decides to keep it himself and powers forward for a few yards. We'll have to see if it's enough. McNamee gets a snap, drops back, looking for a receiver. Dangerous play, intercepted with this lucky turnover. As he fumbles the snap and the Oilers trying to get out of that danger zone.
It's our ball.
Maybe get. So Thompson's kick is up. Fielded by 25, Weber. Able to find a little bit of room. Comes around the right side, and if he's got the speed, he's going to be able to score. Not quite making it. Finally out of bounds. Looking to blitz, and there's a fumble on the play as the Wranglers take over. Pitch to Knigge. Around the left side. Spun around, no gain on the play. McNamee gets a snap. Drops back, screen play to number 24, Knigge. Not in. McNamee gets a snap, drops back.
There he is.
Looking for a receiver.
Oh my goodness. Go for
McNamee back to punt. First punt of the evening. Gets a nice one off. Fielded back at the 20. Still on his feet. Finally brought down by Weber under center, gets a snap, pitches back to number 30, hit immediately in the backfield by Weber. Gets a snap out of the shotgun, finally able to connect a pass to number 10, down by Clement. McNamee back to pass, and play broken up. McNamee gets a snap, hands off to Knigge, hit in the backfield for a loss on the play. Takes a hand off to Knigge, rolls to his left, stiff arming, someone still on his feet. Forward for McNamee still in the shotgun position. Drops back, looking for a receiver. Cephas Wood is open. Overthrown. Gets a snap. Hands off to 31. Hit by Wranglers showing blitz. and able to down, gets a snap, hands off to number 31, and hit immediately. Boyle and Wood back to receive, able to get the punt off, fielded by Cephas Wood, who runs in shoestring. Oilers showing blitz. McNamee pitches to Lance Carnegie, sweep to the right side, gain of about 2 on the play. McNamee gets the snap, hands off to 24, Lance Carnegie, fumble on the play. Weber gets a snap, drops back, looking for a receiver, and looking like a penalty. 1st and 10 for the Oilers on the penalty. Weber under center, pitches back to 31, down by Fitzgerald on the play. Gets a snap, takes a handoff, looking for a receiver, had one in number 20. Gets a snap, looking for a receiver, almost intercepted by Hager. Gets a snap, has to reach for it, looking for a receiver, has one open and intercepted by McNamee. McNamee under center. And we have an encroachment call. Running to his right with the option. Finally down. To keep it himself. Able to go forward for the first, is still on his feet. McNamee running the option. Pitches it to Lance Carnegie. And the Wranglers. Fumbled the snap. McNamee able to pick it up and down for a loss on the play by McNamee in the shotgun. Gets a snap. Looking to connect with Cephas Wood. Had it, but just... McNamee with another nice punt, fielded by... Oh! Weber gets a snap, and nowhere to go as he's tackled in the backfield. Wranglers showing blitz again, and almost hitting the backfield, and maybe a gain of 9:31 to go in the game, in the quarter. And another interception as McNamee has the room and should be able to score on this one. Still on his feet, ladies and gentlemen, after a spin move, finally down at the center, gets a snap. McNamee under center. As the quarterback keeper bootlegs to the left, decides to keep it himself into the touchdown. The shotgun. And has a receiver and keep it to work. And gets a nice kick, fielded back at the 10 by Weber, and who does a lateral. And Wrangler's not fooled. Weber with the snap, fumbled. Weber in the shotgun. Gets a snap, in trouble. And that pass long for the Oilers. Weber in the shotgun, gets a snap. Gets back to pass, looking like a screen. See if it develops. Yep, able to get a few yards on that one, but we got a flag back. Weber gets a snap, pitches back to number 31, who's hitting the backfield by, gets a snap, Wranglers blitz, pitches back, broken up by Nick Pinn. Wranglers blitz, looking for a receiver, has one, and downed by high snap, could be blocked, not able to. Cephas Wood fields the ball, gain up to the forward, Kimmy under center, gets a quick handoff up the middle to Carnegie, hands off to Carnegie off the right side, gain of me with the quarterback keeper. McNamee gets a snap, rolls to his right, looking for a receiver, decides to keep it. McNamee gets a snap, pitches to Carnegie. Might have enough for a first down. McNamee back to pass. Looking for a screenplay, has Boyle. Turns up field. Down back. McNamee under center, gets a snap. Hands off to number 30, Boyle. McNamee gets a snap. Takes a handoff to 24. Rolls to his left. Decides to keep it himself again. Able to get the first down. And he gets a snap. Quick handoff up the middle to 24, Lance Carnegie. Gain of about 4. Takes a handoff, rolls to his right, keeping himself, and he's in. So, going for one, Thompson's kick is up, and
You let Mellon on the ball. Okay.
nice field kick, fielded by 31 at the 20. Still on his feet, down by 12. Weber under center, drops back to pass. In serious danger. Weber back in the shotgun. Oh, with a heck of a... Weber in the shotgun. Gets a snap. Looking for a receiver. Picked off by Chase McNamee in for a touchdown. Diving in for... Thompson set to kick the extra point. And blocked by 31 Weber. Thompson set to kick off for the Wranglers. Fielded by 31 Weber. Fakes the handoff. And arm tackle. Weber gets a snap. Runs the option off the right-hand side. Still on his feet. With a nice gain. Weber back to pass. Almost intercepted again. Weber set to kick. Fake the punt. And down. McNamee with the counter to Boyle. Oilers kick is up and off. And almost rolls out of bounds, but doesn't. Riley. Hands off up the middle to Boyle. And McNamee back to pass. Screen play caught by Thompson. Handoff up the middle to Jason Sullivan. Dana. McNamee. Delay handoff to McNamee back, running for his life. Looking to get rid of it, decides to keep it. Dives, looking to pass. Connects to Ty, but team for the Oilers. Weber under center. Gets snapped, hands off to 31 Weber. No gain on the. Gets a snap. Sweeps it back to 31 Weber. Still on his feet. Finally down by. Weber gets a snap and keeps it. Should be in for the touchdown, barring a. Yeah. Fumble on the play, recovered by the Wranglers. Here taking on Du Bois.
Okay, no. No, I
Wranglers. McNamee back to pass. Looking to run. Decides to finally. Out of bounds at the 4th. McNamee in the shotgun. Decides to keep it himself again. Rolling to his left. Cuts it up and third and 9 is like Carnegie, but there's a flag on the play. McNamee pitches to Carnegie. Rolls to his left. Takes a hard hit. Gets a snap. Rolls to his right. Looking for life. And throws it away. Second down and 7 for the Wranglers. McNamee gets a snap. Hands off to Gary Boyle. No room for running. Hands off to Gary Boyle, 30. Better tuck that ball away. And up for a first down. McNamee gets a snap, hands off up the middle. No gain on the
No, I have a senioritis so bad.
pitch to Gary Boyle. Turns it up. gain of.
Not unless
Oilers looking to blitz. Gets a handoff. McNamee trying to make something out of nothing.
That's fun. Oh.
Pitch to number 31, Weber. In the shotgun. Gets a snap. Screen play to number 10. Has a blocker. Under center. Gets a snap. Lateral to 20. Weber gets a snap. Hit in the backfield by Weber in the shotgun. Looking for a receiver. And another, whoa! No catch on. Weber gets a snap. Under pressure from Isaac Fitzgerald, barely able to get it off before he. High punt. And he's down back in the. Weber back to pass. Under pressure. Gets it off. No.
Yeah, he wants to know. No, Mr. Draper wants to know if they deliver.
So the Oilers able to get that
I'll be back.
high snap under pressure. Ooh. So quarterback gets a snap, hands off to Carnegie. No, center. Gets a snap. Pitches to Carnegie. Looking for running room. Has it. Cuts it up for a gain of about 7. Pitches to Carnegie. Rolls to his right. Cuts it.
Kinda.
Carnegie made.
I like him good.
Weber gets it.
Yeah, that's
Weber in the shotgun gets a snap. Keeper hit immediately by Fitzgerald and
I'd be the kicker. I can go
able to get it off.
like punter.
Fielded by Gary Boyle. Able to hang on to that ball. Good job, Gary. Down at the.
All right, you guys have fun.
Movement on the ring.
Chris got one.
Gary Boyle. 1st and 10 Wranglers. Pence gets a handoff, hands off to Boyle. A little bit of running room. Gain of 5 on the play. Pence with the snap. Pitches it to Gary Boyle. Not able to hand on to a better. Knee back in the punt. Fielded by 35. 25, Weber. Finally out of bounds. Weber with the snap and pass. Flag on the play. Weber gets the snap, pitches back to 31 Weber. A little bit of running room. Able to get a first down and more. Finally brought down by Gary. 1st and 23 for the Oilers. Weber with the carry. Brought down after a gain of 2. Oilers get the snap, pitch to 31, counter, reverse to 31, 21. No gain on the play. 4th down for the Oilers. Pass play, intercepted by number 14, McNamee. Pence pitches to Gary Boyle, loses the ball. Pence gets a snap, hands off up the middle to Jory Geis. Offsides, Oilers, but it doesn't look like they caught it, so. McNamee back to punt for the Wranglers. It's off another nice run fielded by 31 Weber. On his feet still, spinning. Flag on the play. 1st and 10, Oilers. Weber gets the snap, pitches back to 31 Weber. Tackled by Fitzgerald. Second down for the Oilers. Weber gets the snap. Hands off to Weber up the middle. Tackled by 89 Pence. And Pence under center, gets a snap, hands off to Jory Geis, hit immediately, maybe a gain of half yard.